Meet the Blink Video Doorbell 2nd generation. See, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere with clear video and instant alerts. Easy to install and built for reliability, it keeps your home connected and secure at all times. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Blink Video Doorbell, sync module, mounting kit, 2 AA batteries, doorbell removal tool, corner mount accessory, power adapter, USB cable. How to pair. Download the Blink Home Monitor app and create your account to control all devices. Connect your sync module, then add the video doorbell by tapping plus, selecting it, and scanning the QR code. Choose your system and follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. Installation. Slide off the battery cover and insert the 3 AA lithium batteries, then wait for the LED to blink red. In the app, tap Discover Device and follow the prompts to connect to Wi-Fi until you see the confirmation light. Next, use the mounting template to mark your placement, drill holes, and insert wall anchors if needed, depending on the surface. Secure the mount with screws, adjust the angle if required, then click the doorbell onto the mount and complete setup in the Blink app for full customization. Smart features? Delivers sharp 1440p HD video with a wide 150-degree viewing angle for clear head-to-toe visibility. Helps you see visitors, packages, and full doorway coverage in one complete view. Powered by 3 AA lithium batteries, it delivers long-lasting performance for everyday use. With efficient power management, it reduces frequent battery changes for added convenience. Lets you speak and hear visitors in real time through the Blink app for easy communication. Simply press the talk button in live view to interact instantly from anywhere. Send instant notifications to your phone whenever motion is detected or someone rings the doorbell. With customizable settings, you can filter alerts to focus on important activity and reduce unnecessary notifications. Quick DIY setup with no complex wiring required, making it simple to install in minutes. Works wirelessly with the Blink app, giving you flexible placement and hassle-free setup anywhere. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Blink Video Doorbell 2nd generation from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Blink Video Doorbell 2nd generation. See you at the next one.